Hi friends, hope you all are safe at home. Welcome to Cookie the Buggy. Please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to click the bell icon. In this video, we are sharing an idea about bloodline in buggies. Bloodline means a problem in buggies. When two buggies of one mother become pairs, their baby will not become healthy. Disadvantage of bloodline: at first the babies will die. The babies will be unhealthy. Advantages of bloodline: after a while you will get so many colors. You will also get so many types of birds. Do you know Mr. Bean and Navia also get their babies as dead? Now we get healthy buggies like Danny, Glory and Goldie. This is Danny. This is Goldie. Bloodline helps us to earn more colors of buggy, but it will take more than 1 year to get healthy buggies. See more videos from Cookie the Buggy. Bye.